be a beautiful day. Goldie and I are gonna go do some hiking. We are at Amnicon Falls State Park. Hey, hold on. Goldie, wait for me. There we go. I dropped it. We gotta have that. Let's go down here. This place has some beautiful waterfalls.
I'm not going to be talking a lot during this video because I absolutely love the sound of the water running. It's so calming and relaxing. I just enjoy the sound of that water. So hopefully you enjoy it as well.
Walk down here and we'll get a better view up further. That's so pretty. Just beautiful. This is a fun place to come explore if you ever in northern Wisconsin.
Amnicon Falls State Park is located in South Range, Wisconsin.
It's so cool. But we're gonna go down this way. There's a bunch of waterfalls. So let's get going.
Later in the video, there's other cool bridges, but one that I really like is a covered bridge, so make sure to stick around to see that.
Pretty. Little cutoff goes. Come on, Goldie. This way, honey. We're gonna have to go over to that spot over there, get get a better view of this. This is beautiful. Yep, we need to go to that spot over there. So in order to get over there, we gotta go down over there, cross that. Alright, so let's get going. We want to go see this waterfall from the other side. Park. Come on, Goldie. Wish I could just let her run. There was a couple other vehicles in the parking lot, so I suppose I better keep her on a leash. Unfortunately. Come on, Slim. Covered bridge. Go down this way first. Then we'll come back. Oh, more falls. We'll have to go check them out. But I want to get a view of the waterfall back here that we were just looking at. Come on, Slim. Oh yeah, we can see it here a little bit. I want to go along that fence where the steps were up here. Oh, buckets. Come here, Goldie. I'm going to take you off for a second. Better not, I guess. Son of a couple.